Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your workflow with Coda AI. So I will just show you that Coda tutorial. So from here you will just welcome to your first project document. Here you can find, store and update critical information about a project status. So background provides a relevant context and that lead to the development of your project. You might be include the problem you're solving for competitive research or project goals. So I will just show you that how to optimize. So here you will just create a table like for task for lunch. So here the in the name you will just write it a market plan and start date. And if the status is in progress, so you will just also have to changes like not started or if have done. So that's it. So the assign name of person, you will just have to invite person by their email, and here you will just add end date. So from here you will just sort and columns and you will just have more options. And if you just create it like more row, and I will just write it like start, and here you just write it the date of any, and here you just give them status like in progress, and you will just mention the name by email, and you will just simply type the end date. So in this way you will have to optimize your workflow with Coda AI, and here you will just update your schedules plans into a single organized document. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.